Okay, quick video. As you can see, we're working on the 22 degree temperature control problem. This is a 2011 Police Pursuit Charger. It's the module. Okay. In-car temperature sensor, we know about that. I was about to do all that. But I have this 2011 SE car over here from Junkyard. I know it's a SE, and I'm going to put the VIN number on there, so you can look up the build sheet. All I did was take the module out of that car, out of that piece of crap, and put it in here. Look at that thing. AlfaODB, of course, I changed it to automatic climate control and everything, so let's go start him up. Hopefully you can see that clearly. Alright, I'm going to touch the automatic climate control buttons. Down. Up. Recirculation we know won't work because of the humidity sensor. I'm going to press the AC button. Forward. Turn that off. Oh, turn that off. Back to the automatic temperature control, up. And you've seen some other videos with that person selling that chargy thing. They don't leave the clip running long enough so you can see it go back to 22 degrees. But this is sticking and holding. Now why it's doing that, I have no idea. All I did was change this damn module. That's it. Put a piece of crap module in from a SE. Now we're going to take the original module and plug it back in and see what happens. My friend is telling me that maybe just by disconnecting the module, starting the car and putting it back in might do something to the computer, and this module might, the original module might work also. But no temperature sensor, because I'm going to splice into the wires for the cabin temperature sensor. I haven't done that. See, it's still holding. Okay, that's it.